Hello, this is RingRing. Welcome to the Kotlin Multiplatform Learning Series for Android engineers. So far, we've been walking through the official tutorial for the shared UI version. However, starting from this video, we'll be learning using the Todo app we've implemented for educational purposes. In this app, we'll introduce the Key Audio app we'll be using for our learning journey. Firstly, please clone the Todo app from the GitHub URL provided in the description. The Todo app itself consists of two main features: a Todo list and an editing screen with a straightforward functionality. Additionally, it includes a feature to toggle between light mode and dark mode from the top right corner of the Todo list. This Todo app was developed to learn about the architecture, dependency injection strategies, implementation of databases using SQLDelight local key value store, using MultiplatformSettings, and the usage of Coroutines in iOS. That wraps up the description for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more content on Kotlin Multiplatform. Until next